Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study the topics of JAM group theory. That is, we will discuss definition of homomorphism, isomorphism, automorphism, inner automorphism, epimorphism, endomorphism and monomorphism with their examples. We will also discuss about some of the properties of homomorphism and isomorphism. Now, let's get started. Now let's talk about homomorphism. Let G and G dash be two groups and R and O be their respective binary operations. Then the map F from G to G dash is a homomorphism if F of A star B is equal to F A, second binary operation, which is of the group G dash, F of B. इसकी विजुलाइजेशन देखनी हो अगर suppose this is a group G and we have this group as G dash where our function is from G to G dash F. Here we have A, here we have B, which is mapped on to F of A, B is mapped on to F of B, and here we have A star B, which is mapped on to F of A or F of B. Now, which is also equal to F of A star B. Then F is a homomorphism. Now, एक example consider करते हैं. F from complex forms a group under addition to reals which forms a group under addition such that f of x plus iota y is equal to x or x plus iota y belonging to complex. We also have a property that every linear transformation is a group homomorphism, but converse is not true. Now we will discuss some of the terms which are as epimorphism, monomorphism, endomorphism. These all are the types of homomorphism. Epimorphism में हमारे पास क्या आएगा homomorphism and it should also be onto. Monomorphism में हमारे पास क्या आएगा homomorphism plus 1 1. Endomorphism में क्या होता है हमारे पास the function from should be from G to itself. Epimorphism का एक एग्जांपल जैसे कि F from Z plus to Z2 addition modulo such that f of x is equal to 1 and minus 1 for x equal to even, 0 for x equal to odd. Monomorphism का एग्जांपल देखते हैं हम. F from positive R under multiplication to R under addition such that f of x is equal to log of x. This function is 1 1. And endomorphism का एग्जांपल देखते हैं हम. That is f from R positive to R under addition such that fx is equal to x. Now कुछ terms और हैं हमारे पास, that is isomorphism, automorphism and inner automorphism. Now isomorphism क्या होता है basically? Homomorphism plus 1 1 plus onto. अब इसका एग्जाम्पल देखने के लिए f from r plus under multiplication to under r addition such that f of x is equal to log of x. Automorphism is an isomorphism from G to G. अब इसका एग्जाम्पल देखने के लिए f from rationals under addition to rationals under addition such that f of x is equal to 2x by 3. Now inner automorphisms क्या होते हैं basically? If A belongs to G, then the map FA such that it is from G to G, where FAX is AX A inverse for all x belonging to G. This map is called inner automorphism of G determined by A. Now part of G is set of all automorphisms of G, and similarly N of G is set of all the inner automorphisms of G. We have a beautiful property, that is inner automorphism of G is normal subgroup of aut G. Now another term which we have is kernel of homomorphism. It is set of all those elements in domain such that their image is the zero element of the codomain. That is, kernel of f is equal to all those elements in G such that f of x is equal to e dash, where e dash is the identity of G dash and f from G to G dash is a homomorphism. Now we will discuss some of the important results. First is, if f is a homomorphism, then f of e is e dash, where e dash is the identity of G. Second is, kernel of f is normal subgroup of G. Third, f of x inverse is equal to fx whole inverse for all x belonging to G. Fourth property we have is isomorphism also maps identity to identity and inverses onto inverses. That is, first and third property also holds in isomorphism, because isomorphism is a homomorphism also. Now isomorphic or isomorphism is an equivalence relation. That is, G is isomorphic to G reflexive If G is isomorphic to H, it implies H is isomorphic to G, symmetric. And translation, if G1 is isomorphic to G2 and G2 is isomorphic to G3, it implies G1 is isomorphic to G3. Sixth property we have is order of Fa divides order of A. This is an important property. You should remember it. Then seventh property we have is if F is an onto homomorphism, then G dash is homomorphic image of group G. Eighth property which we have is Z modulo NZ is isomorphic to addition modulo Zn. Ninth property which we have is if F is 1 1, if and only if kernel of F is identity element.